What's up, everybody? Android here. So, I remember after the ban on Huawei, I was the only tech YouTuber who was constantly saying that Huawei will get back stronger and they will get back their lost position. And now after like 3 to 4 years of hard work and dedication, Huawei finally dethroned Apple as the Chinese smartphone market leader. Yes, that is true because according to the Jefferies analysis, Huawei has officially dethroned Apple from its top position as the Chinese smartphone market leader. The analysis said that smartphone shipments in China recorded strong year-over-year growth in September, and the growth is majorly contributed by the new smartphone companies including Huawei, Xiaomi and Honor. On the other hand though, Apple is seeing a double-digit decline and its shipment growth has been negative since the launch of the latest iPhone 15 lineup, and that slowdown in Apple and the upstream in Huawei allowed the Chinese tech company to dethrone its American rival in terms of the market share. That's not it. The analysis believed that the iPhone 15 would record lower than expected global smartphone market shipment in 2023. Adding to that, it is said that iPhone will lose to Huawei next year in the smartphone competition based on the current trends. Furthermore, Counterpoint also shared some data regarding Apple's China and US sales. Well, in the first 17 days of sales in China, the iPhone 15 series underperformed last year's iPhone 14 with a decline of 4.5% in sales. The company noted sales decline for all models except the iPhone 15 Plus in the market. On the other side, the iPhone 15 series is taking a huge demand in the home ground. But in China specifically, Apple was on the top spot, and now Huawei is officially on the spot of Apple. And you know, all that is happening, especially the downstream of iPhone 15 sale, could be the result of the Huawei's remarkable comeback with the Huawei Mate 60 Pro. Data from the domestic researcher shows that the Huawei Mate 60 series recorded growth throughout the whole September. Then it is overshadowed the entire Chinese smartphone market in the first week of October with the highest sales ever. And I would say not only Apple but other smartphone makers are also affected by the sale count of the Huawei Mate 60 series. So yeah, the new king of the Chinese smartphone market is officially Huawei. So what do you think about it? Well, do let me know your thoughts on it in the comments section below. And as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.